Well, here's where I'm at so far. I got all the top cut out, and I got the bell off, got the chimney off, got the pipes disconnected. I got my cardboard form down in there. I got my spot where I want my chimney to be. Well, it's kind of crooked right now because it's just sitting on that thing. You can tell where it burnt the paint on the wall. That's interesting. That's right where it comes out of that. See that flywheel right there? That's what I put on top of the riser to keep it from burning up the barrel in the bell. And then I got it so it's just wood and cardboard. Just horseshoe-shaped pieces of wood there. I guess you can't really see that, can you? Let's see if I can get my flashlight here. Yeah, it's just cardboard and wood. That way I can build a fire in there and just burn it out. I ain't got to worry about trying to get it out because it won't fit through that door. That's why I had to knock all the stuff off the top just to get it in there. And then I got that one dent in it that's right there. So I might have to do something about that. Oh, that's my ash tray that goes in the bottom way down there. But right now, I got a fire in there, and it's hotter than hell in here, so I'm going to go take a nap. Later.